morning? I should stop saying good morning because by the time you guys see the vlogs, it's not even morning anymore. How are you guys?
This is my jacket.
Not you.
Good morning.
This is short people's jacket. So this is
Look
short
at this,
people's
look at
jacket.
this. She's just kind of like helping herself.
This is short people jackets.
Yes, you may get one. Why do you get so excited?
She's on camera.
Hi, say good morning. She's so excited.
You trying to talk so bad?
Yeah. Say yogurt. She needs more clothes? You don't think she has enough clothes on?
Like an undershirt that goes like that can cover her neck.
Oh, like a turtleneck?
Or something to cover her neck, yeah. It's like real windy.
She doesn't have any turtlenecks.
Did you get it, buddy?
We're headed out right now.
You signed my contract.
I had to sign. Remember that $5 I took from Jordan? He apparently wrote up a contract and had me sign it that I owe him $5. I am very much aware that I owe him $5, but he wants me to sign a contract so bad. He was just like, sign the contract, sign the contract. For like days now. Days.
I do that now. So you don't forget. Like the Gatorade I used to have. You owed him that a few years ago.
What?
Gatorade.
I owe you Gatorade?
Remember?
I don't owe y'all anything. I don't owe y'all anything. Y'all need to recognize in life. I owe you nothing. What is it?
Trash.
Yep.
What trash?
It's like a bottle.
It's windy, dog.
Like it's it floats to the next door neighbor's lawn.
It's windy. That's what I told you. It's windy as shit outside.
Babe, what's your language around the kids?
Oh, sorry.
It's not no sorry. Anyways, people, I'm gonna
I forgot you were
load all these kids. Really? It's not about recording or not. It's about you watching your language, period. Look what he's doing now. I'm done. I'm gonna go load my our children in the vehicle.
Yeah, you got tape?
It's windy and the wind is going crazy with my door. Look at them out there. Look at them. Look at them.
My headband flew off.
Your headband flew off? Where is it?
I'm gone.
Get Maddie out the car.
No.
I'll sit here and leave you with them kids. I gotta go.
Hey,
Yes, honey?
if you're ever if I'm not here and you're ever here and you come in,
Uh-huh.
you go to lift this up. Watch it. Before it hits that, press the button so it stops it.
I'm never ever gonna be doing this foolishness.
I'm just saying, if you do,
I'm not, you don't have to do a
if it's
PSA. You don't have to do
you
a...
back up and this right here, don't let it go all the way because it hits.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for that. Did you just... Okay. Have no manners. Open the door. Open the door. I have the baby. Thank you. Don't put your jacket there. Oh. Shoe. Take the shoe off. Take the shoe off. I just have to say one thing. Like, you guys are so amazing. My last video that I did, letting you guys know what's wrong with Jordan. You guys' comments are so sweet, and this little one is not gonna take a nap. You're not gonna take a nap, right? Right? So I'm not gonna take a nap. But you guys' comments were so sweet. I was like just going through comments, making sure that I respond to everyone. Oh, I'm still breastfeeding this child, and she will be 2 next week. And I'm still breastfeeding her. My hair is a hot mess because I had a hoodie on. It's cold. It's freezing outside. Like, the wind is just making it even more worse. And she has to be feeling on me when she nurses. I'm gonna go do a grocery haul. Maddie, what are you doing? Maddie? I'm making chicken. I made the chicken in here the other day, and it turned out so good that my husband requested it again. So that's what I'm doing. And oh, chicken in here is like so good because I can brown it, you know, get a little nice color on it, and then let it sit in the pot roast setting, and then just kind of like cook it down until the chicken is nice and tender, and get the perfect chicken. So I'm gonna let that simmer for a good 4 hours, and it's so good. What are you doing? Leave your sister. Where's the cover for my anyone seen the cover for that thing? What are you doing? She needs it. She needs it.
But there is covered
That's what I'm doing, is started dinner pretty early. Once you guys find the cover, could you put it on for me?
Sure.
Thank you.
That's you.
And
That's you.
I'm about to go sit and watch some movie with my hubby. And just hang out for the rest of the day. But my tree is on. I love sitting by my tree. I'm about to go make me some hot chocolate. About to go make me some hot chocolate and just hang out with my babies. As Jackson is ready for hot chocolate, he has on his Minion. Let me see your Minion cup. You're a hot mess. Maddie, is he a hot mess? You ready for your tea? Your hot chocolate? Maddie, you can't fight him for his stuff, no.
We're gonna make slime today. The real kind.
We're making slime, the real kind.
So we're going to try again because we got activator, which is right here.
Finally have activator.
Yes.
We have some food coloring that we're about to put in there.
So we got some
saline solution.
because we needed it.
Jason, did you mix yours? Okay. So
we're just mixing it because
we have we also have the glitter.
Yes. Look, that's all the glitter.
Mommy, look,
I have to make Maddie's.
After you actually you have to add like activator to actually.
I'm about to put some glue in here.
No, Mommy.
Oh wow.
I want some more glue, shaving cream.
You want more glue?
Yeah.
Why? What's wrong with what you have?
We're just testing it. We're just testing it.
You want any glitter?
Me, yes. Okay, that's it, Mom.
That's it? You want glitter too?
What?
Glitter. Who else want glitter?
Get what you get and you don't get upset.
Oh, that's a cute little get what you get and you don't get upset.
Oh, let's do Christmas kind.
What?
Let's try to do Christmas
Slime?
Yeah.
We need green.
Yeah,
Mine is already in. The glitter is already in.
so we just added our glitter. Now we're gonna add our color after we mix it in.
You want blue? Okay. Let's put a blue. Alright. Who else want blue?
Wow.
I'm gonna have some red and some green.
Look.
Blue.
Who want blue?
Look.
What color you want, Teeny?
Red.
Oh no,
Red?
purple next.
No, you just get one color. You're being extra.
Looking good right now. Mommy, look.
Red?
Yes.
Mommy, look. Look, Mommy.
I'm gonna make Madison's red too.
Yeah.
Babe!
It turns into pink.
Seriously?
Mommy, turn
What are you watching?
Turn into pink. Mine.
It turned pink?
Yeah. Mine turns into white. I like it. See? Jason, look, mine is actually.
Let me see yours, Gio. Keep turning the corners. See yours, Jason. Let me see yours. Let me see yours, Jordan. Jojo. Let me see yours. What did you do? You can't eat that. Give it to me. Give me the slime. Ew, why is it so disgusting? Come. Ew. You made a mess.
I just had green one.
You're supposed to squeeze it in your hand.
I love Mommy.
Here. Here. You're supposed to squeeze it in your hand. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Yeah, we finally made the slime.
Mommy, I like yours.
After how many failed batches?
Third time.
This is our third time.
Our third time doing it, and we finally got
this
it.
is our second
Mommy,
time.
I like yours
Last time
because
we
look.
made slime in a hey.
What's wrong with yours?
Because it doesn't sound like that.
It doesn't sound. Yours don't sound like mine.
No.
I added glitter in mine. I added glitter in mine. See? You see the glitter?
Can I feel yours?
You had glitter to yours?
Yeah.
You can put more of the glitter.
I didn't even get yours.
You want glitter?
I could add some to mine. I don't feel yours
It's so glittery.
Can I feel yours?
Want to feel mine?
Yeah. What does yours feel like?
Let me see yours. Ooh, yours feel good too.
Mine's just. I love yours.
Yours is so hard.
I know, right?
What were you doing?
I did nothing. It was like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Your slime is hard.
Yeah, I know.
Stretch that slime, girl. How do you loosen it up? What do you think about adding more activator? It will loosen it up?
Then someone pass it. You want to try it?
I don't know. We'll have to research how to, cause
I'll get that.
this is nice and soft. But I like this.
I like this.
Okay, then take yours. I want my own. Let's see how dinner's looking. Ooh, dinner's coming.
Should I put a little activator in it and see what happens?
Pour some gold, please.
Stop! What are you guys doing?
I just used the sprinkler.
You don't open it by that side. Use the sprinkler. You're being wasteful right now.
Mine is kind of sugar or silver.
Mine is kind of loosening out, isn't it?
What?
Isn't mine?
Alright, clean up back this mess. Goodbye. Yeah, hubby's cleaning my car. And apparently Maddie's car seat made a mess. Ah, it's cold out there. Really? What happened, honey?
Same thing, yeah.
Oh, the creases? Where do you want to put her?
I don't know, I think we need to get a protector or something. Look how it's creasing it.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it will come out.
Yeah.
Make sure you wipe,
I'm putting her forward.
I'm gonna go cry now. You can't, no, I'm gonna go cry. You can't put her forward. He wants to turn Maddie around. She's not even 2 yet.
Yes.
Not 2 yet. It doesn't matter if she's a few days. I want to keep her forward facing. It's safer. No, it's much safer. Like, if I would say, God forbid, I get in a crash, it's safer because all that, I know, but her weight, she's a small 2. Oh my gosh. Why is he so pressed to turn the baby around? She's a tiny little 2. She's tiny. I don't want to turn her around. Am I wrong for not wanting to turn Maddie around? I mean, she will be 2 next week. but he wants to turn her around because her seat is so bulky, and when he sits in the passenger seats, he doesn't quite fit. But and then if I was to put her on my side, when he drives, he can't push his seat back. With me, it's okay, but with him, it's not. I don't want to turn her around. I don't want to turn her around. What do you guys think? Comment down below at what age do you turn your kids around, because I don't want to turn her around because she's a tiny too. She's a tiny. When I was much younger, I was always the one quick to turn them around because I was just illiterate, you know. I'm much older now, and because on any kind of impact, their spine and everything is, you know, much more protected versus if they were on the other side, because they just get thrown about. Let me know what you guys do if you have a toddler. She's like I said, she's 2, and I don't even think she's 25 pounds. She's not even 25 pounds, so I don't want to turn her around. Let me know what age you guys turn your babies around. I forgot to ask you guys something. Another question: who cleaned your car? Like, I know when my husband cleans my truck, and he also makes sure that it's well maintained and air and stuff is in the tire. He does all that. But I'm saying, in your family, who does all that? Like, do you take care of your own stuff and your husband take care of his own vehicle, or do you just have one car and you both maintain it, or do you leave it to your spouse or whoever to do it? For me, I'm just too lazy, and my husband is just like, he's just the type of person like, you need to keep up with the car, make sure it's clean, the inside's clean and all of that. And I'm like, well, if you want to do that, you are more than welcome to do that, because I have 5 children that I have to chase around the place. I make sure that, you know, they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. So if you want to keep up with the car, you can go ahead and keep up with the car, but yours truly here, it's not just, I don't know, it's just not in me to maintain my car, but he does. He's like, that's why he was showing me the car seat. He was like, you know, Madison's car seat is making a dent in the leather, because our car, it's, the interior is leather, and then it has suede in the middle, so her car is like damaging the leather, and apparently he doesn't like that. So I'm like, dude, if look at my tree back there. Whew. Giving me all the life I need. I'm about to make me some hot chocolate, hot cocoa. Dinner's finished. Dinner's all done. It's been done 4 minutes now, so it just automatically shuts off. Let me show you guys. It automatically shuts off and put it on warm once it's done cooking, and that's what it looks like. So basically, dinner's done. I just need to put the rice on. I was gonna braid my hair today, but that's not gonna happen today. Probably go during the week. Oh, I'm so tired. I was watching a video on YouTube because it's recommended now that I've disclosed that I have DID, and someone else came out a few weeks ago that they have DID, and everything that they were, you know, describing about, you know, what they go through, like the forgetfulness, like, you know, just doing something and then switching over to something else and never finishing anything. That's my life. That's my life every day, all day, until the point where you just snap and you're like, no, we can't live like this. And that's just me, because like, my house is not dirty, but at the same time, I can't function long enough to do a particular chore long enough for it to look good and stay good and then keep up with it. No, it has to get really bad, and then I snap and then clean everything and it stays clean, and then, you know, then my kids mess it up and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just different personalities do things and then leave it, and then I'm constantly having to say, okay, I have to finish that. And then my husband is like, he's the other one, he's like, you start all these projects, you never finish them and stuff like that. But now he's gotten to the point where he understands what I struggle with internally, so he tries his best to help out. Anyways, I'm rambling right now. I'm gonna go finish what I'm doing. I have to detangle Madison's hair, and get finished up on dinner. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It was fun having you guys around. No, that's a lie. I will see you guys tomorrow's what? Tomorrow? Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.